Hello. Welcome to Hexal Dutch School. Today, we are going to learn about the Dutch letter K. The Dutch K is pronounced as K, similar to the English K in kite, but slightly sharper. Listen carefully. Say it with me. K. Now, repeat after me. K. Once more. K. Let's practice it a few more times. Listen first, then repeat after me. Say it again. K. Now a little faster. K. And once more at normal speed. K. A common mistake is confusing K with G. Make sure to pronounce K as a clear, sharp sound, without a guttural tone. One more time. K. Let's say it 3 more times together. First, slowly. K. Now, a little faster. K. Finally, at normal speed. K. Great job. Keep practicing. See you in the next lesson.